Christine, for an experienced sponsor, what does a great CDMO selection look like in 2026?
So I think looking for CDMOs these days, you're not just looking for capacity anymore or the technical capability. Of course, both of those things are very, very important. But I think you need to look at how a CDMO is going to execute under uncertainty. So programs change over time. Things change, just between your relationship with a CDMO. So you need to understand how is that going to work when changes happen. Are you going to have to go through renegotiation drama with your contract? Um, can the company deliver right first time performance? And will this company remain viable throughout your market cycle? So I think there are quite a few criteria that need to be looked at, and I think we'll get into some of those criteria in later questions. But to me, one of the most important things to keep in mind as you source a CDMO is how is that going to work through times of change? So I think that's something that's really important these days.